Ladies and gents, we've been making amazing money in the markets. I hope you've been making money with us. I know you've been making money if you've been in the Patreon, but in case you aren't, let's get into a little video about a project that I'm invested in, that I'm making good money on right now, that I think is going to rally super hard soon. None of this is financial advice, as always. Smash that like button, and we're going to dive directly into it, right, guys? So first of all, Bitcoin almost at 44,000. That is huge. But I'm not going to talk about Bitcoin today. We're going to dive right into this. The token I'm talking about today is AVAX. And so I brought this to the Patreon people a while ago. My Patreons know that AVAX was going to pop off. I'm sure they were invested and made money. Congrats to you if you've done well with all of this. But AVAX right now hit a high right now today of almost $28. I think on Coinbase it was like $27.80 or something. So we've pulled back like about $1 in it. I can say maybe we'd reach. We could probably pull back another 50 cents unless there's a drastic pullback. We'll probably consolidate in this area a little bit here before shooting off hard. But I actually think that this thing has a lot of room to rally because, it has beat its 1 year. It's at a 52-week high right now. But AVAX was at $140. That's like a 7x or a 6x from where it's at right now. Let's look at what it actually was at, 146. So yeah, that's about a 7x from where it's at right now. But the reason that I think AVAX is actually going to pop off really hard is because of what Solana's done. Solana is at $64 right now, and Solana popped off really hard on the year. Now, I remember at a time when they were almost the same price. You remember when there was a time when both of them were like a $10 coin, a $12 coin, an $8 coin. They were trailing price in the bear market, these two tokens. So the fact that Solana has ripped to 64 and AVAX was at 22, and now AVAX has started its rally, I really think, because look at this thing when it popped out of the $20 range right here. See, it spent a lot of time in this $23 to $21 range. It was stuck right here. As soon as it popped off right here to 27, what did it do? Shot up and up and up, and it did not stop. It did not stop until it got to the 60s. So I'm not saying AVAX is going to $60 all of a sudden, but can we see this thing actually go to like 40, 45, 50? Maybe, because AVAX, where it's at right now, is at $27 right now. I can see, at least another $10 price increase, and anybody who makes a decent wage can probably buy themselves at least 20 AVAX tokens right now. If we see a $10 increase with AVAX and you've got 20 tokens, you just made 200. That's enough for you to say, okay, cool, I made a little bit of gains in crypto. See what I'm saying? So I'm not saying hurry up and buy AVAX right now, and this is in one of my portfolios here. This is the portfolio that I share with you guys. I have a lot more AVAX in a separate portfolio that I'm holding long term because I love AVAX. The BlockChain is amazing. They have a lot of good games coming out on AVAX, and nonetheless, above all, the transaction fees are so cheap and it's so fast. I literally use AVAX to send money all around. When I need to send my funds anywhere, I use AVAX through Coinbase, through my MetaMask wallets, through SimpleSwap to turn to BNB. AVAX is the shit. So this thing is going to pop off hard. Not financial advice, but do your own research if you don't know what AVAX is. AVAX, you can get it on MetaMask. You can get it basically anywhere. KuCoin, Coinbase, all over. You can get it on Robinhood, dude. You can get it on? Yeah, you can get it on Robinhood. I had it on Robinhood. So definitely very accessible of a token. And this thing right here, you could actually look at their website. I don't know anybody that actually looks at the AVAX website. I don't ever go on this website. I just use AVAX through all the different blockchains, and I use Trader Joe to be able to buy all the tokens that are on the AVAX blockchain. That's the thing. They have tokens on the AVAX blockchain. So you're going to be able to, as this thing pumps and you have AVAX in your bag that you're holding long term, you'll be able to move some of that AVAX into gaming projects, in and out of different projects, right? Get into a project, let it pump, move back into AVAX. Use this as like a type of store of value that's less crazy than all the other little tokens that you'd get in that would be on its network. But I'm going to leave this video here. I don't want it to be too long. Smash the like button if you got some value. And none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research on all the tokens that you've got. This is your game. It's your money. Make money on your own, baby. I believe in you guys. Take care. Have a great day.